That being said, let's enjoy the rest of the night.
We are about to go to the pool party. We're gonna go eat.
Oh shit.
I'm pretty excited. Boots and pants and boots and pants and boots and pants and boots and
exactly. Communication's a big part of that too, because you come, you get to a point to where it's like you now are in this situation, in this bind, because you chose to not communicate about what you weren't centered about, you know what I mean? So now you're dealing with two things. You're dealing with your own personal situation, and now with that, it caused the lack of you being open, not you, but in general, the person, the lack of someone being open. Now you're in a worse situation, just because you weren't true to who you are. Just be true.
I think too, like what I've learned is that your word has to be impeccable before someone else's.
Oh yeah.
Because we rely so much on quotes and so much on other people's, you know, their perspective, their opinion. Like, what do you think? What is this? And we rely so much on that we forget to, like, before anyone else's word, like our word is first impeccable. Anyone else's word. And like you have to practice like listening to your word. I think too, being in your 30s, it's so tricky because like that's where you kind of like start to not turn into concrete, but you start to kind of like really become who you are, and you start to kind of get settled into that person. So you have to really be aware of like, okay, what am I allowing to become a part of me? What am I allowing? What energy am I taking on at any given moment, any time?
Chili, chocolate, nuts, raisin, pastry. The typicity is a little bit sweet and spicy. Okay, this one is going to be the last one, and then we're going to have dessert.
Thank